What's up, everybody? I know it's been a while since we've posted on this channel. Believe me, we really want to get these new videos out to you so you can grow, brand, and market your music worldwide. Mans is currently finishing up his first project, and I'm currently teaching a college class for marketing. So once that is done, I'll start loading up new videos on this channel that, believe me, you're going to be really excited about. And I can't wait to announce this new series we're currently developing that we're going to post on this channel starting in August. It's going to be super beneficial to all independent artists, so stay tuned for that. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Now, today I really want to cover super quickly this new topic that I came across, and it's probably going to be super important for all of you when you're going to start considering your content release, your marketing release for your next project or single or music video, and that is IGTV. Now, IGTV is this new standalone app from Instagram. Instagram now has officially crossed 1 billion users, so it's probably now the third biggest social media platform across all social media. It's owned by Facebook, so that's another 2 billion users that are tapped in with that ecosystem. They also own WhatsApp. They have about 2 billion users as well, so it's a huge ecosystem. And now they're coming out with a new standalone app, IGTV, and I'm really excited about how the way they're branding and marketing this platform that all creators are going to start being able to use and produce content for. So it's going to be super important for independent artists, especially musicians. So if you don't know how to change your Instagram into a musician account, then click the video right here because we already made a tutorial on that. And if you don't know how to market your music on Instagram, click the link right here. We have a video covering that as well, which is our most popular video on this channel. So check it out for great reason. It's the most popular video. We have some great topics covered in that video. Now let's start here. Again, Instagram now has crossed 1 billion users, so it's a lot of people that can potentially discover your music and become a fan of yours. You can really start to engage with them. So now with this new app, let's cover what they're talking about on this Instagram press. IGTV starts playing as soon as you open the app. That's very interesting. You don't have to search or start watching content from people you already follow on Instagram and others you might like based on your interests. You can swipe up to discover more, switch between For You, following, popular, and continue watching. You can also like, comment, and send videos to friends in direct. That's huge. I mean, if you have content on IGTV, now people can start discovering you in a different way they haven't before, especially for your music videos or for behind-the-scenes vlogs, because now you can upload 1 hour long vertical videos on this app, and it's connected to the whole entire ecosystem of Instagram, which has 1 billion users. So that's a lot of people that can potentially find your content that never has found your content before. And it gives them another reason to not have to click the link in the bio to watch your stuff on YouTube. Now they have another reason to just stay into that same ecosystem. So you have to really start thinking, all right, all these old music videos that I have already, I should contact my editor to re-edit them and create them to be vertical videos so I can put them on this app, because it's going to be super important once this app releases. Also, like TV, IGTV has channels, but in IGTV, the creators are the channels. When you follow a creator on Instagram, the IGTV channel will show up for you to watch. Anyone can be a creator. You can upload your own IGTV videos in the app or on the web to start your own channel. So that means every single person on Instagram has this same tool available for them to start producing content. So again, it's going to be super important that you really start thinking about how can you produce content on this platform. How can you start marketing your music to all these potential fans on Instagram and now on IGTV? And that's going to be thinking about who is on this platform, what do they want to see, and how can I produce content for them in what unique way. So you can't just post a video on Instagram and then repost it on here. You have to create it out to be vertical, and you have to think about the cuts and edits and how it's going to look on the platform. So really start to consider this into your marketing plan coming up for your next releases, because this is going to come very soon. But again, it's an hour-long Instagram vertical video. That's huge, man. I really do think this is going to be a big competitor to the YouTube and the Facebook and the Snapchats even more because of these hour-long videos. So you can essentially put a documentary on IGTV and no one has to leave the app. Or you could upload, behind the scenes of your music video and no one has to leave the app. So it's something you really have to consider, thinking that, these people might not even click the app even more than they don't now. So really start to think about who can either edit your old videos, or maybe you have to learn to edit your own videos and start to format them for vertical videos. And if you haven't already, make sure you're formatting videos for Instagram stories and really start understanding how to use that. I have a tutorial on how to create Instagram vertical videos. I'll link in the description box below as well. So thank you all for watching. A very quick video. Again, I think it's another platform that you have to really pay attention to and really start understanding how to produce native content on it. Yeah, it's just another arsenal, another tool in your toolbox to be able to grow your brand and market your music to new fans. So thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the tutorial on how to change your Instagram to a musician account and how to promote your music on Instagram. I'll have those links in the description box below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, we have great content on here. Thank you for 2,000 subscribers. Haven't had a chance to even say that. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.